Hey everyone, Luke, also known as GoTube here, and today I'm going to be showing how you can get GoAnimate back in 2025. Now, as some of you may know, GoAnimate's been shut down for quite a while now, but thanks to the community, we've been able to bring it back in a fairly simplistic fashion, using a sort of GoAnimate rewritten style website called Flash Themes. And there's only two things you need to fully use it: Flash Player and a browser that supports Flash Player. Now, while there are many different versions of Flash Player and many different browsers that support Flash Player, we're going to be using two specific types in this video. Clean Flash Player, which is essentially the latest version of Flash Player you can still use, and WaterFox Classic, which I just think is the easiest to download and actually use. The links for Clean Flash Player and WaterFox Classic will be down in the description, of course. And the first thing you need to download is Clean Flash Player. So once you get here to archive.org, on the right hand side you should see a Windows executable download option. Just go ahead and click on that and save it to where you'd like. So let's go ahead and run the installation. It will ask for administrator permissions. You just want to make sure you hit yes. Then after that, go ahead and hit the checkbox here. Click agree. Make sure all of these three are checked. Click next, next, and then click next one more time, and finally click install. After that, it should just take a moment or two to install, not very long, and then you should have Flash Player working on your computer. After that's installed, just go ahead and click quit, and then we'll go download WaterFox Classic. When you're at WaterFox Classic, make sure you hit Windows, because again, this is the Windows tutorial, and it will immediately download to your computer. Go ahead and put it in the same spot where you put your Flash Player. Mine's on the desktop. And once it is downloaded, go ahead and run it, the same as you did with Clean Flash. So let's go ahead and run it, then hit run. It's going to go ahead and extract it for a second, and after that it will again ask you for administrator permissions. Just go ahead and hit yes. Then after that, hit next, I agree, next, install, and after it's done installing, go ahead and click finish, and it should automatically launch it right here. Now, you probably don't need your bookmarks unless you want to make this your regular browser, and I mean, good for you if you do, but I'm just going to go ahead and click don't import anything, click next, and it should open up automatically. After that, we're just going to check to make sure Flash Player does work, and to do that, we're going to go to ultrasounds.com. This just runs a very quick Flash Player, so if this pops up, you're good. You just want to go ahead and click on it, click allow and remember, and Flash Player should work. So if you see this little Ultrasounds logo right here, you're good to go. Now you have everything you need to run Flash Themes, and we're going to go ahead and go to the website and show you how it works. So it's just flashthemes.net, should come up on Google, but in case you can't find it, link is in the description as well. So once you're here, it should be pretty self-explanatory, but I'll still guide you through it. So of course there's a sign up now where you just go ahead and enter your email, display name, password, like any other website. And to make sure Flash Player does run on the website, just go ahead right here in this banner, just click Activate Adobe Flash, Allow and Remember, and that should be hopefully the last time you see that message. So of course, just enter your information. I'm going to go ahead and make my display name GoAnimate Tutorials. Enter your password. Click Agree, and then click Create My Account. And after that, it should send you an email verification code or link. Once you've created your account, just head on over to your email, and right here you should see a link to verify your email for Flash Themes. Just go ahead and right click on that, click copy link, head on back over to WaterFox Classic, open a new tab, right click, paste and go, and it should verify your email. Just in case you never received your email, you can go back to Flash Themes, click on login up here, and then click didn't get your verification email. Once you're there, just type in your email, hit send email, and you'll get it for sure that time. Now once you've verified your email, you're not done. There's still two more things you have to do. The first thing is of course to log in, which we're going to do right now. And the last thing to do is to turn off hardware acceleration for WaterFox. This just ensures maximum compatibility between WaterFox Classic and Flash Themes. Now it's pretty simple. You just want to go ahead to the right hand corner, click on the three bars, click on Options, and then right here in General, uncheck Enable Multi-Process WaterFox, click Restart WaterFox Now. It should open back up, Once you're logged in, you've turned off hardware acceleration, and you've installed everything I told you to, and of course you've made an account, you should be ready to start using GoAnimate in 2025. Now, this tutorial for the most part has ended here. But in case you need a little help navigating the site, it's relatively easy. To create a video, just go right up here and click Create. You can access the quick video maker or the full video maker. You can go down here to make a custom character. We're just going to go ahead and open the full video maker. Select your theme. I mostly use Comedy World, but of course that's up to you. It'll take a second or two to load. As you can see, the video maker, of course, is made in Flash Player, which is why we needed to download it. And once it's loaded, congratulations, you're ready to start making GoAnimate videos. Now, if you need any help to actually know how to use this thing, if you've never used it before, pretty simple. You can just go to the settings, interactive tutorial, and this should give you everything you need to know. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to get GoAnimate back in the modern day. Tell your friends and have fun GoAnimating. I will see you all in the next tutorial. Have a good one.